guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cheese ball. So I'm just going to do this in a bowl with a whisk because all of my ingredients are at room temperature and softened. So I'm just taking my cream cheese and whipping that up until smooth. And then we're going to put in some sour cream. And some chili powder just to make it a little bit spicier. And then some bacon bits. I just cooked up one slice of bacon and I just pan fried it. You can do it in the oven if you would like to. You just want to do it until crispy because this is not going to be baked at all. So you just don't want to bite down on a fatty piece of bacon. And I just folded that in until it was evenly dispersed. And then I'm putting this into a 4-inch springform pan. Just putting half of that and evening it out in the pan. And then I'm taking some of that jalapeno jam that I made last week. And just dolloping about, maybe I put about 3 little dollops in there. And then top it off with the rest. And then another 3 dollops of that jalapeno jam. You can put more or less if you would like. And then I'm just taking a knife and swirling that in. You don't want to incorporate it completely. You just want to have nice little swirls of that in your cheese ball. And then you want to cover this and put it in the fridge overnight. Now we're just going to unmold this. We're going to take off the sides, and you have the parchment paper on the side there, so it should just come off very easily. And then you're just going to slowly unpeel or peel that parchment paper off of the sides. And here I have some pretzels that I just added to a food processor, and I'm using those to crust the sides and the top of this cake, or cheese ball I should say. I'm just very gently and very slowly pressing those crumbs into the cake, or to the cheese ball I should say. I guess I keep calling it a cake because it's in a springform pan, and usually I'm making a cheesecake in a springform pan. I don't know. So anyway, you're just going to take your time and press those crumbs into the cake and just make sure that it is all covered. Now I'm just going to show you the different options that you can use to dip into this cheese ball. I have some crackers here, some pepperoni, and I even used some potato chips. But other options are really anything that you would put on a crackers and cheese plate at a party. So you can use some Tostito chips, you can use pretzels, really anything you want, anything that you would put on a regular crackers and cheese plate. Just a reminder, this cheese ball is a little bit spicy, so really anything that would go really good with spice, any kind of crackers or chips or anything like that. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys make this recipe. It's really good for a party, or really just eating by yourself. I love crackers and cheese for like a quick lunch kind of thing, and this is absolutely delicious. And also, I really hope you guys make my jalapeno jam recipe. It is delicious for this application or tons of other applications. It's really good for a lot of little things like spreading on a bagel or on a burger. I have a lot of ideas on my Instagram if you guys want to check that out. I really have been putting it on everything lately. It is so good. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave me a like down below, and also leave me any suggestions for what you would like to see next. If you guys have any ideas for things that you like put jalapeno jam on, please let me know it down in the comments. And subscribe and hit the bell notification to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!